Computer hardware. The parts of a computer that we can see and touch are called hardware. All input, processing, output and storage devices from the hardware components of a computer system. Hardware devices of a computer system can be internal as well as external to the computer system. Input devices. The devices that are used to enter data into the computer and give instructions are called input devices. Some input devices are keyboard and mouse. Now, let us learn about more input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons that help you type letters, numbers, symbols, and execute various commands. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device which allows user to select or point on the screen. Scanner. A scanner is used to read paper documents, images, or pictures and send them as input to the computer. It converts hard copy into soft copy. A scanner can be connected to a computer using a USB cable. Joystick. A joystick is used to play games on a computer. It helps control the different movements or actions in the game. Microphone. A microphone is used to record voice, music, and sounds that can be stored on a computer. Web camera. A web camera is used to take pictures in digital form and store photographs in the computer. It is also known as webcam. It is commonly used for video conferencing. Light pen. A light pen is used to point to objects or draw on the screen in a way like a touch screen. It is used to draw text and diagrams on the monitor. Processing device. The Central Processing Unit, CPU, is the hardware processing device that works on input data and sends the result to the output devices. The CPU is a chip which is placed inside the CPU box. CPU is also called the brain of a computer as it is responsible for all the work done. A CPU is further divided into three parts: ALU, CU, and MU. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU. ALU does all the arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. It also does comparisons like greater than, less than, equal to, etc. Control Unit, CU. CU coordinates and controls all the parts of the CPU. The CU gets the data and instructions from the memory unit and passes them to the ALU in a step-by-step manner. Memory Unit, MU. The CPU also has a memory like human beings. The MU stores the data and instructions that you give to the computer along with the results of the processing. Memory unit is known by different names like internal storage unit, main memory, or primary storage or RAM. Output devices. The result we get after processing is called output. The devices which help us get these results or outputs are called output devices. Now, let us learn about more output devices. Printer. A printer produces a hard copy, printouts, from a computer, usually onto a paper. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music, voice, and sound on a computer. Plotter. A plotter is used to print big sketches, diagrams, and maps on long sheets of paper. They are used by engineers, architects, scientists, and designers. Monitor. A monitor refers to the display device that visually presents information and output from a computer. Projector. A projector projects or displays data of computer screen on a large screen or display for audio. Storage devices. The devices that are used to store data are called storage devices. There are many storage devices to store our data or work so that we can get it back whenever we need it. Let us discuss about some of the commonly used storage devices. CD and DVD. The CD drive reads information stored on a compact disc, CD. CD is an external storage device. DVD looks like a CD but can store much more data than a CD. Pen drive. Pen drive is a portable device and is easy to use. Its storage capacity is more than that of a DVD. Hard disk. The hard disk is permanently fixed in the system unit. It can store maximum data or work. Hybrid devices. A hybrid device is a gadget that can do more than one thing. It can act as both an input and an output device. Smartphone. A smartphone is a gadget that lets you do many things. You can type messages, take pictures, and use apps, input. It also shows you videos, plays music, and makes calls, output. Headphone. Headphones are used to listen to music or sounds, output, without disturbing others. It can also have a built-in microphone to talk or record your voice, input. Smartwatch. A smartwatch can show you the time, track your fitness, and display notifications from your phone, output. It can also let you respond to messages or make calls using its touchscreen, input. Laptop. A laptop is a computer that you can use to type documents, browse the internet, and play games, input. It also displays information on its screen, plays sound through its speakers. Smartboard. A smartboard is a large interactive screen used in classrooms. You can write on it and interact with it using touch or special pens, input. It can also show videos, presentations, and diagrams, output.